Hello friends, welcome you research nerds. In this video we will see rabbit pyrogen test using Ex-Pharm software simulation. So we will start this video. It will show this type of interface. In this we will click now rabbit pyrogen test. To start experiment, click here. We will click. So here you can see it is showing introduction. So we will see what is the introduction. The rabbit pyrogen test is an in vivo test to detect pyrogen qualitatively. A rabbit has a similar pyrogen tolerance to humans. So by observing a change in body temperature in rabbit, it is possible to make a determination of presence of pyrogens. So this method can detect non-bacterial endotoxin pyrogens as well as bacterial endotoxins. So here it is saying pyrogen test is performed to detect the pyrogens. Pyrogen means what? Pyrogens is a particle or a contaminant which is produced by the bacterial endotoxins or sometimes by the bacterials excreted materials. So these act as a pyrogens, and when these pyrogens enter in the human body, it produces temperature, means it elevates the body temperatures. So these pyrogens must be detected before product is going in market for the sale. All the parenterals are checked for their pyrogens and then they are entered into the market. Now you can understand what is the pyrogen and why we are doing this experiment. So next we will see, before conducting the experiment, what precaution we have to see. So rabbit must be healthy and mature. New Zealand and Belgium white species should be used for the experiment. Either sex may be used, but males are preferred. Must be individually housed between 20 to 23 ounce Celsius. Their temperature should not vary more than plus or minus 3 ounce Celsius. Means while you are going to use the rabbit group, suppose you are taking 6 animals, pyrogen test, their temperature should not be vary plus or minus 3 ounce Celsius. Atmosphere should be free from disturbance which likely to excite them. So while you are conducting these type of experiments, there should not be disturb those animals. The person who is handling them, he should handle. No other person will available to excite them. So next, experiment and material used in test. Glassware, syringe, needles must be free from pyrogens by heating it to 50 ounce Celsius. For this, heat air oven is used for not less than 30 minutes. Means you have to keep all these glassware, syringe and needles in hot air oven. So you have to see that syringe and needles are already pyrogen free or not, means it is already packed, so you can use that ready-made one. Next we will check retain boxes should be comfort for rabbit as much as possible. So means restrainer, whatever restrainer you are using, that should not be too much fitted to the animals. And thermometers or thermistor probe should be inserted in standardized positions in rectum. Precision of plus or minus 0.1 ounce Celsius. So the least value for the instrument should be 0.1 ounce Celsius. That should be calibrated. Telethermometer which you are going to use for this experiment, its temperature sensitivity should be 0.1 ounce Celsius. So these precautions you have to follow before conducting the experiment. Now we will go on experiment. So here it's first instructions. First, animals are divided into two groups. Two groups means that vehicle treated and test substance treated. Next, administer one group with the test substance to be tested and other with the vehicle by intravenous route. So both group we will give the injection vehicle and the test substance to be tested by IV route. Temperature of each animal is recorded with telethermometers. So you have to use here telethermometers to check their temperature. So we will now conduct the experiment. Here you can see 6 animals, 3-4 vehicle treated and 3-4 test substance to be treated. Means now we will administer the vehicle and drug to both group. Here you will see how we can administer it. We have removed the fur from the area and then we have sterilized the marginal ear vein of the rabbit, and in that vein we administering the test samples and saline or whatever the vehicle you are using here. So we have now injected it in marginal ear vein. Now we will check these drug after 1 hour it is rising their temperature or not. While you are conducting these type of experiment in real, that time you are doing this experiment one by one animals. Suppose you have clicked this rabbit, so you have to note their time also. So now we are inserting the thermometer inside the rectum. It is showing the temperature right now 38.39. Next animal we will select here. So every time while you are inserting this thermometer you have to sterilize it. Now second rabbit's reading is 38.5. Now we will select next animal, and then last for vehicle treated. So after sterilization we are inserting again the thermometer. It is 38.39. So you can see the image of the telethermometer. It is quite different than this. Now we will go for test substance treated animals. Again we will insert the thermometer inside the rectum. Its temperature is 39.5. Next animal we will select. It's 39.1. While you conducting this really this type of experiment, that time you are using restrainer to control the animals. Last one animals, its reading is 39. Now our experiment is complete. We will see the observation. Here you can see vehicle treated, their temperature total value is 115.28, and for test substance is its total value is 117.6, and total difference is 2.32. and here for individual animals it is more than 0.6. As per the criteria, its individual animals difference should not be more than 0.6. Here it is crossing the criteria, so sample is fail. Here again you can see means groups total should not be more than 1.4, so it is rising up to 2.32. So we will see the chart which is we are practicing in the contract research lab, where we are conducting a real experiment. I will show you the chart. So here you can see initial temperature is for 3 rabbits should be that it should be in between these temperature 38.5 ounce Celsius to 39.8 ounce Celsius. In between the all rabbits temperature should be, and after giving the drug, its temperature individual animals should not be rise than the control 0.6 ounce Celsius, and for all animals it is 2.32, but it should not be more than for group rise 1.4 ounce Celsius. So if it is rising more than 1.4 ounce Celsius, it fails. If it within the range, it is pass the test. So if it is fail, we have to conduct that experiment with addition 5 rabbits. More we have to use, and again we have to check individual animals body temperature should not be rise 0.6 ounce Celsius, and for all total 8 animals temperature should not be more than 3.7 ounce Celsius. If it is less than that, the test is pass. This will be the result. The rabbit pyrogen test is still in prevalence in India and other part of world because it's detect both type of pyrogen containing bacterial endotoxin and without endotoxins like materials like bacterial generated excreta, whereas LAL test, which is also known as a Limulus Amebocyte Lysate test, which is blood cells of horseshoe crab, giving results for bacterial endotoxins only. And one more thing, nowadays one more test is getting recognition known as MAT test, Monocyte Activating Test, conducting using ELISA. It detects the immunoresponse like a human cytokinins doing. This is complete substitute for rabbit pyrogen test, detecting all type of pyrogens in parenterals. So lastly, we will see the conclusion of this experiment. As the rise in the body temperature of each rabbit is more than 0.6, so it shows that the test sample is not pyrogen free, means the sample which it is containing pyrogen, so the test is fail. So this type of sample which contains the pyrogen, we should not send into the market for sale, otherwise it will elevate the body temperature of the person or patient that who will use it. So how was the video? Please do subscribe and share to your friends, share this precious knowledge to them. Thank you for watching Research Needs. Thank you very much.